The second type or kind of petit four bases is the shortbread mixture of flour, fat, sugar, enriched with egg, and has a short eating quality. So, have you all seen a shortbread? Katong mga kanang mga dili kayo motubo nga pastry, but and also they are cute, crumbly in flavor, crumbly in texture rather, and they are sweet. So, ano yung mga gagmay, short, just by the name, short. So, the next one is the pastry puff. Can make a suitable base for petit fours when a sweet filling is used. So, are you all familiar with cream puffs? So, one of the examples of a pastry puff, kanang cream puffs. Ipahinay sponge baked in thin sheets and layered together with filling which act as an adhesive to hold the sheets of sponge together. So katong mga mga very soft, light airy nga cakes, and they are cut into small parts and are squeezed, sandwiched together to create that cute designs or whatever. So there are 4 varieties of petit fours. Sorry, 5 there.